So here is an example of a pre-assessment that I embedded into a Pear Deck and had my students take before I started teaching them about fossil fuels. So I used some graphs because I wanted to see where students were at in their ability to interpret and read graphs. This is seeing what background knowledge they already had about fossil fuels, where they came from, how we use them, what they are. This also kind of gave me some background information specifically on whether they know the uses of fossil fuels, how we use them. That gave me information on that. This also gave me some idea on their ability to read graphs again and interpret graphs, and then putting what they know about fossil fuels, using what they know about fossil fuels to interpret this graph, and if they're able to do that or not. And similar to this question, it allows me to see whether they understood that, is natural gas a fossil fuel, and are these, maybe some of them think that some of these other things are fossil fuels. So that gives me some background knowledge of if they're able to distinguish between those things. So that is an example of how I used a pre-assessment, and then they'll get the exact same assessment at the end after I've taught them these concepts.